Looking for the perfect marinade to make eye of round roast, tender, juicy, and full of flavor? This foolproof method bakes it to perfection in foil with onions and an extra touch of beef broth or red wine for deep, rich flavor. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this incredible marinade. Half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 3 cloves of garlic, minced 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional for heat, 1 large onion, sliced for extra flavor, half a cup of beef broth or red wine for even more richness. Before marinating, it's important to prep the eye of round for the best results. This cut of beef has a thin layer of silver skin and excess fat that needs to be removed. Use a sharp knife to carefully trim away the silver skin and excess fat. This helps the marinade penetrate better and ensures a tender, juicy roast. To make the marinade, simply combine all ingredients in a bowl and whisk until fully blended. The olive oil helps tenderize, while the soy sauce and Dijon mustard add deep, rich flavor. Place your trimmed eye of round roast into a container or Ziploc bag. Then pour the marinade over it, ensuring it's fully coated. Let it marinate for at least 4 hours, or for the best results, overnight in the fridge. Once marinated, place the sliced onions on a large sheet of heavy-duty foil, then set the roast on top. The onions will add extra moisture and flavor while baking. Before sealing the foil, pour 1/2 cup of beef broth or red wine over the roast. This will create a delicious, flavorful cooking liquid that keeps the meat juicy and tender. Wrap it tightly in foil to lock in all the juices and flavor, then place it on a baking tray. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Bake the roast low and slow for 2.5 hours or until the internal temperature reaches your preferred doneness. After baking, let the roast rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This keeps the juices inside and makes every bite tender. And just like that, you have the most tender, juicy, and flavorful eye of round roast. Whether you bake it in the oven or grill it to perfection, this recipe guarantees a delicious, melt-in-your-mouth experience every time. Slice it thin, serve it with your favorite sides, or make the ultimate roast beef sandwich. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer beef broth or red wine in your roast? How do you like your roast? Rare, medium, or well done? If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious home-cooked meals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!